Now it's time for Real Health Talks News and Views with cancer nutritionist and neurodevelopment specialist Craig Stelflew.
In the category of lifestyle, is there mold in your house? Common illnesses misdiagnosed as main causes by doctors that can be caused by mold toxins are osteoporosis, lupus, chronic bronchitis, asthma, Lyme disease, thick building syndrome, hyperuricemia, gout, diabetes, fibromyalgia, multiple chemical sensitivity, multiple sclerosis, flu, upper and lower respiratory infections and disease, chronic fatigue syndrome, Crohn's disease, candidiasis, rheumatoid arthritis, and autism. Mold damage to your house should be professionally remediated to save both your health and your children's health. In the category of food and nutrition, skipping breakfast makes weight control more difficult. Breakfast skippers tend to eat even more food at the next meal and nibble on high-calorie snacks in between. People actually accumulate more body fat when they eat fewer large meals than people who eat the same number of calories in smaller, more frequent meals. Kids who skip breakfast are tardy and absent from school more often than children who eat a regular breakfast. Kids who eat breakfast tend to eat healthier overall and are more likely to participate in school activities, have lower blood cholesterol levels, and make fewer trips to the school nurse with stomach complaints. In the category of medical madness, in one 3-year period, the Federal Vaccine Adverse Events Reporting System, or VAERS, received 6,574 reports of health problems after chickenpox vaccination. About 4% of those included severe shock, encephalitis, thrombocytopenia, which is a blood disorder, and 14 deaths. The VAERS data has led to the listing of 17 more adverse events to the manufacturer's product label since the vaccine was licensed in 1995. Some of the lesser effects of the vaccine included secondary bacterial infections, cellulitis, secondary transmission of vaccine virus infection to close contacts, transverse myelitis, Guillain-Barre syndrome, and herpes zoster, or shingles. There have been many documented cases of transmission of vaccine virus from a vaccinated child to household contacts. In the category of vitamins and supplements, if you are iron anemic, your body either has parasites or a subclinical problem like cancer or chronic inflammation. If you have a decent diet and are iron deficient, the iron is not the problem, and taking more iron is not the solution. Absorption of iron takes place in the upper small intestines, and most of the iron enters the bloodstream directly there. Evidence indicates that absorption is mostly regulated by physiological demand. Persons who are iron deficient tend to absorb iron more efficiently and in greater quantities. Excess iron causes your body to shed iron, accumulate iron in the colon and other organs, and also cause tumor growth. Anemia has a cause that has to be dealt with before you can absorb iron normally. And finally, in the category of Real Health Talk News and Views Trivia, a teaspoon of trivia. Americans eat up to 60 teaspoons of sugar every day. Studies show that sugar is as addictive as cocaine. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for joining us. You have been listening to Real Health Talks News and Views, featured every weekday on El Shaddai Radio. Join us for Real Health Talks weekly broadcast every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Phoenix time.
If I could reach the stars